Diesel truck, you have a diesel truck, whether it's a 250 or a 550. If you have a diesel truck, you came to the right place. Francisco's Automotive. You have a Ford diesel, you live in the city of Huntington Beach, you live in the city of Newport Beach, Irvine, it don't matter. You give me a call. We've been doing diesel since the 80s. Actually, I started with diesel Volkswagen, and then I graduated to the big trucks. I do the big fleet trucks. And my shop foreman loves diesel. We have the equipment, we have the compression gauges, we have everything we need to work on diesel. I have experience. For you diesel people, you want to know how to make your injectors last forever? Use some additive. I recommend the Ford additive, but Lucas, everybody makes some. Do some additive, use some additive. Another thing too, maintenance is very important. Change your transmission oil, change your coolant, change everything. And on the diesel, when it comes to the actual engine itself, keep an eye on it. If you keep the coolant clean, if you keep everything clean, it's going to last you a lot longer, and you're not going to have as many problems. So you need any help with a Ford, and you live in the city of Huntington Beach, Seal Beach, Newport Beach, Irvine, give us a call, Francisco's Automotive, 714-375-2661. Thank you for watching the video.